This is Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. And today we'll be talking about the structure of Java code. So what we need to do here, I'm going to explain each line of code the way it is. Now, if you look from the very first line of code here, it says package. Now, this com.company is just the package name of this our first project. Now, if you notice, the package name ends with a semicolon. Now, what the semicolon does is just to tell you that this line of code that you are ending it, that shows that you've ended this line of code. And without this semicolon, the compiler will not compile at all. The compiler will crash or it will return an error message. Now, the next line of code here is the class main. As you can see, the word class is written before main. Now, you can think of a class as a code segment, but you have to tell Java where the code segment starts and ends. You do this with curly braces like this one. As you can see, when you click on the first curly braces, it tells you where it ends. So that means the class starts here and ends here. That means the class of the code starts here and ends here. So we use curly braces to signify the beginning and the end. And inside the class, we've got the main. We have the main method in there, and the word main is important part here. Whenever a Java program starts, it looks for a method called main. Now, what is a method? A method is just a chunk of code. Well, we're going to learn about that later on in the video, but for now, just have an idea that there is something called a method. Now, what it does that is it executes any code within the curly brackets for the main. And that was why it says write your code here. We are not allowed to write any code outside here for now. All our code will be in the main method. So if you do anything outside, you get an error message if it is not in the main method. But as the name suggests, it is the main entry point for your program, and that is the reason why it says write your code here. Now, if you write your code outside the main, like I said earlier on, it will return an error message. So this is the structure of a Java. All you need to know first is the package name, which we created when we're setting up this environment, and the class main. I told you it has these color braces and it signifies the beginning of the class and the end of the class. And inside the class we have our main method, which is where we write our code. I just want you to have an idea of just the structure of this. In our next video, we'll start by talking about variables. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave a comment. Until I come your way with another video, please do take care and bye for now.